We have made it to section 3, Integration of FAQ bot with social channels. In the last sections, we have learned to create FAQ bot using QnA Maker knowledge base. This section is going to be about learning to connect the bot to social channels. We will talk about the available social channels, as well as how to set channels using Azure Portal. We will take things ahead and integrate the FAQ bot with web chat channel. We will also learn to make bot live by publishing it to Azure Web App and enabling continuous integration to app web chat using GitHub and Azure Portal. Let's start. We are living in the age of socializing, so we must acknowledge the power of social channels. Connecting your bot to social channels will allow you to easily reach your target audience, meeting your business requirements, and making the most of your bot development. You can tremendously increase your audience reach with the help of social channels, as it facilitates the communication between the bot and the target user. Consider the FAQ bot for your product or some services you're selling online. Imagine the ease of response and the extensive customer reach you would get by connecting the bot to social channels like Facebook or web chat. Azure Bot Service supports various social channels to provide you a seamless experience. There are 4 featured channels: Cortana, Direct Line, Microsoft Teams, and Skype. The other available social channels include Facebook Messenger, GroupMe, Git, Skype for Business, Slack, Telegram, SMS, and web chat. Besides these channels, Azure Bot Service allows you to connect the bot to your client application using Direct Line channel, enabling continuous integration to app. Bot Management Blade contains the Channels section. Navigate to this section and you will find all the available social channels. Azure Bot is already connected to the web chat channel by default. You can see it up and running. Other channels have their own specific way to be connected to the bot, as the authentication and authorization process is different for each channel. Overall configuration process is rather simple. You just click on the icon of the channel that you want to add to your bot. After you have configured the channel, user can start using the bot.